Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Booty Aviation Training. SK Booty here, again back with you. The next lesson on navigation numericals. And today we are going to discuss the DLAT, also called SHILAT, change of latitude or difference in latitude, or DeLong and Shillong. Now let's first find out what are these, what does it mean, and where are we going to use it in navigation. DLAT is a difference in latitude between two places. If they are on the same meridian, then only the difference will only be in latitude. If two places are on the same parallel of latitude, then only difference of longitude will be there between them. But if two places are on different latitude and longitude, then there will be a difference in latitude as well as longitude. DLAT or SHILAT, change of longitude, means the same thing. And similarly, DeLong and Shillong. We will be using these in our navigation. Change of longitude will be used in our lesson on time. If you know the time of one place, you can calculate the time of another place. Okay, it depends upon the time, depends upon your meridian, and different meridians have different time. And Shillong will also be used later on and SHILAT for finding out our convergency and conversion angle. What are these? We will study later. But today we are going to study what is DLAT, DeLong, SHILAT, and Shillong. Here is a diagram of the Earth for you. And these are the meridians. Of course, meridians are semi-great circles. Here they are looking like straight lines to you, but they are actually semi-great circles. Other side of the Earth is the remaining semi-great circle, and these two combined form a great circle, like here, this meridian, and this is the anti-meridian on the other side of the Earth. Right. Now, what is DLAT? Now, two places, if they are on the same meridian, there will be a change of latitude between them. And find out the difference. B is on 60 north, A is on 30 degrees 45 north. So difference is 29 degrees 15 minutes. If you are going from A to B, your change of latitude is north. You are coming from B to A, your change of latitude is south. Although you are still in the northern hemisphere, but you are traveling south to this place. Right? So difference, and don't forget to annotate north or south. If these two places are in different hemispheres, for example, A and C, then add them up, not the difference. Same hemisphere, difference, and the same other hemispheres, then you will have add them up. A to C, longitude of A plus longitude of C will give you the DLAT. Sorry, I beg your pardon. Latitude of A plus latitude of C gives you the DLAT, and C to A, DLAT is north, A to C, DLAT is south. Now come to DeLong. Between place called F and G, there is a difference in longitude. Same difference in longitude will be between F1 and G1, because F1 is on the same meridian, G1 is also on the same meridian. Similarly, like we studied A and B, Q and M will have the same change of latitude. G and N will also have same change of latitude. N is on 60 and G is on 30, 45. Okay. And change of longitude between F and G, F towards G will be west, from G towards F will be east, and how much east difference? One is 55-45, another is 18-15. So difference is 37 degrees, 30 minutes. F to G west, G to F east. And F to place this side P or Q, then add the longitude. And if you're going towards east, longitude DeLong is. If you're going towards west, DeLong will be west. For example, P to Q is east and Q to P is west. And P to F is also west and P to G is also west. Other hemispheres, add up the longitude of each. Now, if you know the DeLong, you can also find out where is the second place. For example, place T is 30 degrees place of east of place F. Here is place T, a new place T, 30 degrees towards east. F is 18 degrees 15 minutes west. So after 18 degrees 50 minutes west, you will cross the prime meridian, and the remaining 11 degrees 45 minutes east will be your second place, T. 18-15, okay, plus 11:45 is total of 30 degrees. Now, summary, same hemisphere, difference, different hemispheres, add them up, and don't forget to see if you are north and going further north, or are you north but coming towards equator, then change is south. Then next we go to some special cases, some different cases to understand. One is, let's say these two places A and B are on the same parallel of latitude, but they have a difference of latitude. What is the difference in latitude? If I want to go A to B and travel on my meridian, then my latitude will change. And here I will join my anti-meridian. Okay. So A is 60 degrees north on 110 west meridian. B is also on 60 degrees north, but on 70 east meridian. So your anti-meridian is your meridian minus the 180 minus your meridian is your anti-meridian. If your meridian is west, anti-meridian will be east. Okay. Now I know from here, if I go to north, I will travel 30 degrees, again come to B, I will travel another 30 degrees. So total change of latitude will be 60 degrees. Here we will not write north or south because we are initially traveling north and then we are traveling in the direction south. Total delta will be 60 degrees. And if you are going from place A to place C, 30 degrees. From here to place C, another 40 degrees because C is 50 degrees from equator. So now your change of latitude will be 70 degrees. So near the pole, count up to the pole and then go to the second place. Now, if your DeLong exceeds 180 degrees, okay, from the prime meridian, if you start, your anti-meridian is 180 degrees towards east or 180 degrees towards your west. And I've taken this diagram from top of the North Pole. North Pole is in the center, and this is one of the parallels of latitude. Let's say it is equator for this example. Okay, North Pole is in the center, and all these directions are north, towards the North Pole. Okay, now these are the meridians west, and this side are the meridians east. Let's take two meridians, A 35 west, B 40 east. So A to B, total change will be 35 plus 40. Different hemispheres, so we'll add them up and we'll say 75 east, and B to A will be 75 degrees west. Okay. Now, let's take another place C, 140 east, and D is 150 degrees west. So 140 plus 150, 290 degrees. And since we are going to place D, we'll say the change of longitude is 290 degrees west. But sorry, why should I travel 290 degrees west? Shouldn't I go from here to here? And how much will that be? 360 minus longitude of C plus D. So my change is 70 degrees. Since this was west, 360 minus 290, my answer will be west. And here is the direction east. C to D is east here. 70 degrees towards east. 140, reach 180 east and keep traveling east and travel another 30 degrees and you will reach 150 west. So C to D is change of longitude 70 east, and D to C is same 70 degrees, but longitude is west. And please remember in this diagram, all these directions are east and these directions are west. This is the north. To your right is east. This is the north. To your left is west. All these directions. If you keep on traveling east, you will travel up to 180 east, then go to 170 west, 60 west, 50 west, 90 west, again come back to same point. A very useful lesson which you'll be using at many places, including flight planning, including during numericals of time, including in your radio aids when you will be using conversion angle and the convergency. And how about doing a few numericals to find out, have you really understood these or are there any gaps? Now, don't be in a hurry to see the answers which are there on the next slide. I have given you 8 questions, 6 are a normal case, and these are the 2 from the special case, which we studied in second slide. So these are the same places which you used in the first slide, and get these 8 answers. And if you are doing with your friends, very, very nice. It's a much better way of studying. Both of you, or all 3, 4, 5 of you, how many are there? Do these questions and then compare with each other and then go to the next slide. Some of you will pat each other, some of you will feel bad, but no harm. Feel bad now, not in the examination. Because once you get the correct answers, you realize your mistakes, don't commit those mistakes in your examinations and in your future life in aviation. And that is what I wish for you. And here are the answers. And how about a like and subscribe? By the time I give you these answers, it won't take you more than 10 seconds. And if you have already done like and subscribe, then share it with your friends also. And here are your answers in slide number 4. Copy down these answers. Okay, or you can stay with these answers for some time and you get them right. Good. Wrong, again good. You at least know that you have gone wrong and you won't commit those mistakes in examination. Good luck, all the best. This is SK Booty signing out for the day and shall be back with you soon for the next lesson. Okay, good luck, bye-bye, happy landings.